So I thought I would give you a little context on why I don't like wearing full face makeup out. Is because I feel like I get a lot of looks and I really hate it. So I thought I could try to get over that fear a little bit by wearing it to school and to work. Because like I could wear a full face, but lashes is where I usually cross the line. Because I feel like once you mess up your lashes, everyone knows. And I'm not the best at lashes, so I'm gonna try to get over this like fear. Because I remember I went to Target, full face of makeup. I had just finished recording the sunset look and I needed eyelash glue, and I just felt like everyone was staring at me, and I hated that feeling so much because I do not like having attention brought to me. And I feel like makeup is a way people like bring attention to you. I don't like that. And like a lot of people that I do follow on Instagram do a lot of like bright makeup looks. Like one of them even has rainbow hair, and she's even said herself she hates it when people look at her, stare at her, or even speak to her. And I hate that too. So I feel her pain. But like I still haven't gotten over the fear of just wearing it out for my pleasure, because I do love wearing makeup. I do like doing it, wearing it. It's just like, it's scary to me. I'll just keep checking in throughout the day. I just got to the college, so.
What?
Still looks nice, right? My makeup. I just got out of work, and I guess today I did feel very like self-conscious, because like I knew I had makeup on, but like I didn't feel it after first period. So after like I got like used to the feeling of having foundation on my face, I felt a lot more comfortable. But like I noticed a lot of people looking at me, which is like my biggest like issue and why I don't like wearing makeup. But I think I might make this a challenge for myself to get out of my comfort zone, because like I would never wear a full face of makeup out. Like I used to junior year, but then I gave up on it because I just got lazy, and I didn't wear falsies. Like my channel is based around having complete like full glam makeup looks, but I'm not that type of person to wear falsies, and falsies are really in now, and I'm like, what? So I'm gonna probably challenge myself and make a video of me wearing makeup for like a week or so, because like my boss loved my makeup. I am like the main makeup artist in the shop, so it's probably a good way to like advertise my work. But then again, it is a lot of work, because it took me an hour to get ready, because I'm out of practice of doing my makeup in the morning. So I woke up at 5, left the house late, and I barely made it to school on time. Like I had like 10 minutes to hang out at school, but I usually have like half hour, almost an hour, and I usually like get some kind of work done before class starts, because my schedule is so packed. And that's also why I decided to move my upload day to Saturday. But thank you guys so much for watching. Maybe, I know this weekend I am going to a hair show, so I'm probably gonna show y'all that, because I need to buy a bunch of things. And then I know that there's Morphe's gonna be there, and why not show the hair show I'm going to. So see that next week. Bye guys.